In today's video, we're going to talk about the Fraggle Rock litter transitioning for the first time to their outside den.
Hello, fellow packmates. This is Jennifer Steckel from the Direwolf Project, where science meets the Ice Age. We're the only breeding program in the world recreating the exact bone and body structure of the extinct prehistoric direwolf. Not for the wild, but for your loving family den, using only domesticated dog breeds. I've been raising these incredible American direst dogs for over 20 years, delivering 73 litters and over 400 loyal pups to the world. Want to track upcoming litters or see which puppies are ready to join your pack? Join the inner circle at direwolfproject.com. If you love prehistoric pups and pack-centered wisdom, give us a like, hit subscribe, and let's step out of the den together.
The Fraggle Rock litter, Merple, Marjorie, Junior, Sprocket, and Boober, have just taken their first steps into a whole new world. At 3 weeks old, these little adventurers are ready to move beyond the cozy confines of their inside den and explore the sights, smells, and sounds of the outside nursery. Our nursery shed, nestled near our cabin, gives them a safe, spacious new home. A gentle barrier, thoughtfully installed by Jay, keeps the space cozy enough for comfort and security, yet large enough for curiosity to spark. Here, they can feel the cool brush of the autumn air against their tiny fur, hear the distant yips and barks of the other dogs, and anticipate the familiar call of their human companions. A voice they are learning to trust and adore. Already, the Fraggle Rock puppies wobble on all fours with newfound determination, leaving behind their scooting days in the whelping pen. Their little paws sink into the soft bedding, their eyes wide with wonder as they take in every texture, every scent. The puppies are now eating puppy mush twice a day and lap up water when they're thirsty. Their tiny bodies are now beginning to navigate the broader world with the quiet confidence of those discovering the thrill of independence. Once the puppies settled into their new space, they had to adjust to all the new sights and sounds and smells all around them. Each puppy handled the transition a little differently. Both Merple and Junior were more cautious at first, and Marjorie just wanted to sleep. Boober was the playful one. While Sprocket threw caution to the wind and sought out human affection without hesitation. After breakfast, Sprocket nestled right into my lap for a nap, demonstrating a fearless trust that makes my heart swell. evening, as the sun dips and the autumn chill whispers through the nursery, the pups curl up together. Their tiny bodies radiate warmth, a soft chorus of snores and sighs under the gentle watch of their mama. And with each passing day, the space will grow alongside them, offering new corners to explore, new textures to sniff, and new lessons about the wide, wonderful world beyond their den. In this delicate balance of safety and curiosity, the Fraggle Rock pups are beginning the first chapter of a lifelong adventure, learning to feel, to trust, and to step boldly into the unknown.
Want to meet more of our amazing American Direst dogs? This video right here highlights their amazing personalities. Don't miss it.